Hello everyone! Today we are going to study Tagalog linkers. What exactly are Tagalog linkers? Linkers are used to connect two words, the modifier and the word that it modifies. Why do we need linkers? Well, forming phrases in Tagalog is different from English. In English, you can simply put together two independent words to form a phrase. For example, yellow plus skirt means a yellow skirt. If we do the same in Tagalog, it will sound unnatural. Dilaw is yellow, palda is skirt. If we put them together, it's dilaw palda, which doesn't make sense. To make it more natural, we should add the word na in between. Dilaw na palda. Dilaw is modifying the word palda. Dilaw na palda. Another example is rich plus woman, which means a rich woman in English. If we do it in Tagalog, mayaman is rich, babae is woman, and even if we put them together, they remain two separate words, mayaman, babae. To form a Tagalog phrase which means rich woman, we should add G after the word mayaman to make it mayamang babae or rich woman. So how do we link two Tagalog words? Here are three simple rules that you may follow. For words ending in a vowel, you simply add NG, and for those words ending with an N, you simply add G. And for all the other consonants, you insert the word na between the two words. Let's take a look at rule number 1. Words ending in a vowel. Tagalog vowels are a, e, o, u. Just add ng to the first word in order to link it to the second word. Here's an example. The first word is mataba, which means fat, and the second word is bata, meaning kid. In English, if you put them together, you get fat kid. But in Tagalog, we have to link the two words together in order to form a phrase. So how do we do that? We apply rule number 1. Since mataba ends with a vowel A, we add ng to mataba, which makes it matabang, bata. Matabang, bata, or fat kid. These two words are interchangeable. Let's say bata is the first word. Since it also ends with a vowel A, we add ng to it, which makes it batang mataba, a fat kid. Here are some more examples. How do we say a beautiful woman in Tagalog? Beautiful is maganda, woman is babae. Babae ends with an E, so we add ng. Babaeng maganda, a beautiful woman. These two words are interchangeable, so we can say magandang babae. Maganda ends with an A, so we added ng. Magandang babae, a beautiful woman. How about a white handkerchief? White is puti, handkerchief is panyo. Puti ends with an I, so we add ng. Puting panyo. The same goes for a fragrant flower. Fragrant in Tagalog is mabango. Flower is bulaklak. Mabango ends with an O, so we add ng. Mabangong bulaklak, a fragrant flower. Another example is a lively dog or an active dog. Aso is dog, maliksi is active or lively. Aso ends with an O, so we added ng to make it asong maliksi. Asong maliksi or a lively dog. Our last example is 10 vehicles. 10 is 10 in Tagalog, while vehicle is sasakyan. 10 ends with a U, so we added ng to make it sampung. Sampung sasakyan, 10 vehicles. It's very easy, right? Now we will go to rule number 2. For those words ending with consonant N, we simply add G to the first word to form a phrase. For example, the word luntian, which means green, ends with the letter N. To link it to the second word palayan, which means rice fields, we add ng to make it luntiang palayan. Luntiang palayan, green rice fields. Here are some more examples. Ilan means how many, and beses means times. If we apply the second rule, it becomes ilang beses. ilang beses, or how many times. Next, we have balon. Balon means well, and malalim means deep. If we put them together in Tagalog, they become balong malalim. Balong malalim, a deep well. Next, we have kanin or cooked rice. The second word is malamig, which means cold. Together, they become kaning malamig, kaning malamig, or cold rice. The last example that we have is alin, meaning which. The second word is lugar, which means place. Together, they become aling lugar, which place. Let's now move on to rule number 3. For words ending with all other consonants, we just add na between the two words. So it's word ending with a consonant plus na plus the word being modified. Here's an example. The word itim, which means black, ends with an M. To link it to the second word ibon, meaning bird, we have to insert the word na between the two of them. Then they will become itim na ibon, which means a black bird. Let's take a look at other examples where we are going to apply rule number 3, or for those words ending with other consonants. Mabigat, mabigat, meaning heavy. Bagay, bagay, meaning object. To link these words together, we add na between the two of them. Mabigat na bagay, a heavy object. Masipag, masipag, meaning hardworking. Lalaki, lalaki, meaning man. Together, they become masipag na lalaki, a hardworking man. Masarap, masarap, meaning delicious. Pagkain, pagkain, meaning food. Together, they become masarap na pagkain, delicious food. The last one is malinis, malinis, meaning clean. Tubig, tubig, meaning water. Together, they become malinis na tubig, clean water. Let's use the linked words in a sentence. Bigyan mo ako ng 60 piso. Bigyan mo ako ng 60 piso. Bigyan is give. Ako is I or me. 60 is 60. Piso is pesos. Bigyan mo ako ng 60 piso. Give me 60 pesos. Ang Qatar ay isang mayamang bansa. Ang Qatar ay isang mayamang bansa. Isa is one. Mayaman is rich, and bansa means country. Ang Qatar ay isang mayamang bansa. Qatar is a rich country. Maraming asul na pinto sa Santorini. Maraming asul na pinto sa Santorini. Marami is many. Asul means blue. Pinto is door. Maraming asul na pinto sa Santorini. There are many blue doors in Santorini. Mahirap basahin ang makapal na libro. Mahirap basahin ang makapal na libro. Mahirap is difficult, basahin is to read, and makapal means thick, and libro means book. Mahirap basahin ang makapal na libro. It's difficult to read a thick book. Kilala mo ba ang batang umiiyak kanina? Kilala mo ba ang batang umiiyak kanina? Kilala means to know. Bata is kid or child. Umiiyak means crying, and kanina is earlier. Kilala mo ba ang batang umiiyak kanina? Do you know the crying kid earlier? Ilang pirasong tinapay ang gusto mo? Ilang pirasong tinapay ang gusto mo? Ilan is how many? Piraso means piece. Tinapay is bread, and gusto means want. Ilang pirasong tinapay ang gusto mo? How many pieces of bread do you want? Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Salamat po!